One of the newest condo developments in the Grand Rapids area is the Belknap Brownstones. These units offer some great amenities. With private entry into your own condo, you can enjoy private parking and patios and decks with privacy attached to your home. Inside each unit, you'll find high-end finishes like granite countertops, hardwood floors, ceramic flooring, and fireplace, and so much more. These condo units have been given top-of-the-line finishes, making them very welcoming and comfortable, as well as move-in ready. Belknap Brownstones are located close to downtown Grand Rapids and the Medical Mile, perfect for medical professionals or students. If you're looking for a great location that is close to all the best that Grand Rapids has to offer, the Belknap Brownstones should be at the top of your list.